Thank you for tuning in to Backpackers or Bust. Today, we're going to be checking out Ho Chi Minh City, or you might know it as Saigon. There's a ton of stuff to do in this city, from Bui Ven, which is the walking street, which is alive till 5, 6 in the morning, down to just about everything in District 1. You've got temples, you've got cathedrals, you've got shopping, you've got markets, just about anything you could think of is going to be in District 1 of Ho Chi Minh City. So let's go over costs and what you're going to want to do to get around the city. So you're going to want to book a hotel somewhere in District 1. I recommend close to Walking Street because there's a ton of food options and it's very easy to get to all the different tourist areas except for the tunnels from that Walking Street area. So that would be where I'd look at booking a hotel or a hostel. Hostels are going to run you like $5. A hotel run you 10 to 15. One with a pool run you about 15 up to maybe 20. So those are going to be your hotel prices or lodging prices. Now you've got to look at your food prices. You're going to want to have the Grab app. You can have delivery for $3 to $5 per meal. Or if you go out walking, you can find food for $2 to $5 per meal. As far as transportation, getting around the city, you're probably not going to want to rent a bike. The traffic's pretty crazy. I would highly recommend using that Grab app and just spending the 50 cents to $1 to get pretty much anywhere you need to go. You can take the bike option. It's kind of fun. You throw on a helmet, hop on the back of a bike, and they take you around the city. You get a really good view, really good scenic way to kind of get around. There is a bus system, but I've never really tried it out or anything. So Grab app for your transportation. Stay around Walking Street or at least in District 1 for your lodging or where you're staying. As far as bus tickets to get out of Ho Chi Minh, they run between $5 and $15. I never checked the train prices out of Ho Chi Minh. I didn't hop on the train until about Central Vietnam. So the bus seems to be the easiest way, and they also pick up right around Walking Street area. So if you stay at a hotel or a hostel by there, there's a good chance that you could just walk to the bus to take off when you're ready to leave. So enjoy my video. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, this is kind of interesting. Yesterday I saw a coffee apartments where the whole apartment complex is just different coffee shops. And here's another one. So this is kind of a regular thing here. But they have restaurants and cafes all throughout these. Like there are old apartments that were just converted into different restaurants and whatnot. Crane here lifting up, doing some Sunday work in the middle of the day.
What are you doing?
Alright, it's a view of Walking Street. We're in Ho Chi Minh City, on one of the popular well-lit up streets for the evening here. Fun. How's it going? So, on my way to Turtle Lake here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Should be right in front of me here. There's giggle beans. I don't know what the hell that is. And there seems to be a few restaurants right around. Let's go check out Giggle Beans. It's a crazy sounding name. Let's see here. We've got like a circus tent thingy for tickets. Giving up a big circus vibe. And still giving off a giant circus vibe. It's a cafe that says Giggle All Day. I'd like to find a place to grab a bottle of water. No idea where though, so let's go check out the Turtle Lake. Okay, get across the road here before a car hits you. So this is Turtle Lake. I don't see any turtles. Maybe it's time for lunch. Alright, here in Ho Chi Minh City, on a street that they call Book Street. Where pretty much everything is about books and reading. Here outside the War Remnants Museum, where they have some tanks, a Chinook helicopter, a demining bulldozer, we've got an armored troop transport, we've got some howitzer, some immobile howitzer, and then a mobile howitzer.